In Roman, A. Amb, meaning mango. B. In Roman, B. Batti, meaning lamp. B. In Roman, B. Parrot, Bar, meaning child. Bh. In Roman, BH, Bhitt, meaning wall.
C is not used in Romanized Sindhi. The functions are taken over by K and S.
Ch. In Roman, CH, Chandra, meaning moon. Ch. In Roman, CHH, Chatti, meaning umbrella. D. In Roman, D. Digho, means tall.
The in Roman, D tilde, the meaning window. The in Roman, DH tilde, dhan, meaning money. Dh in Roman, DH, dhanda, meaning lake. D in Roman, D caret, DRE, meaning festival of Diwali.
A. In Roman, E. Etro, meaning so much. F. In Roman, F. Phone, meaning phone. G. In Roman, G. Gull, meaning flower. G. In Roman, G. Parrot. Goat, meaning village. G. In Roman, GHH, Galicho, meaning carpet. G. In Roman, GH, Ghar, meaning house. N. In Roman, G tilde, sing, meaning horns. H. In Roman, H, hero, meaning diamond. A. In Roman, I, engine, meaning engine. J. In Roman, J, Jabal, meaning mountain. J. In Roman, JH, Jhirki, meaning sparrow. Deer. In Roman, J parrot. Jibha, meaning tongue.
Nya. In Roman, J tilde. Denya, meaning wedding procession. Ka. In Roman, K. Kapuro, meaning cloth.
Kh. In Roman, KH. Khatta, meaning caught. H. In Roman, KHH. Hattu, meaning letter. L. In Roman, L. Lakkuna, meaning walking stick. Ma. In Roman, M. Mevo, meaning fruit. Na. In Roman, N. Nakku, meaning nose. Ana. In Roman, N tilde. Varna, meaning tree.
Nasal sound in Roman, apostrophe N. Ma, ha, acha.
O. In Roman, O. Ozara, meaning tools. In Roman, P. Peti, meaning box. P. In Roman, PH. Patako, meaning firecracker.
Q. Not used in Romanized Sindhi. English part of it is taken over by K.
R. In Roman, R. Rich, meaning bear.
R. In Roman, R caret. Ghodo, meaning horse.
Sir. In Roman, S. Samudra, meaning ocean. Sh. In Roman, SH. Shahr, meaning city. T. In Roman, T. Tapali, meaning postman. T. In Roman, T tilde. Tara, meaning stars.
Th. In Roman, th tilde. Thelo, meaning bag.
Th. Roman, th. Thoot, meaning elbow. O. In Roman, U. Ut, meaning camel. V. In Roman, V. Vadho.
W. Not used in Romanized Sindhi. English part of it is taken over by we. X, not used in Romanized Sindhi.
Y. In Roman, Y. Yar, meaning friend. Z. In Roman, Z. Zanjeer, meaning chain.